Well, my dear students, in the previous session, we discussed more information about the circulars, that is the meaning of circulars and the format of circular letters. Secondly, drafting of circular letters, of opening of the new business. Thereafter, we discuss more information about the introduction about the new product and services. So today, we discuss the more information about circular letters regarding to admission of a partner in a business. You already know that the circulars are those letters which are circulated among them in a common class, but it is related to new businesses. We use the circulators for announcing the admission of a new partner. Here the factors for circulators announcing the admission of new partner. The circulator is one of the oldest types of letter. This kind of letters originated in the ancient time when people felt the necessity of circulating any message to large number of people at a time in the same way. Information relating to admission of new partner needs to be circulated to be concerned parties. For circulating this information, business use circular letters. When circulator is used for this purpose, the following information should be included. First one, mentioning the reasons for inclusion of the new partner, expansion of business, additional investment, more efficient management, or any other causes, it is more useful. Secondly, highlighting the experience, special skills, and knowledge of the new partners. Then, assuring the customers for better services, it is another feature. Next one, mentioning the new name of the firm if there is any changes. Next, explaining that the service policy of the firm will remain same as before. Next, expecting the continued patronage of the customer. These are all the main contents in this letter. Next, what is the admission of a partner? The question arises. Here, a business firm seeks new partner with business expansion being one of the driving motives. As per the Partnership Act 1932, a new partner can be admitted into the firm with the consent of all the existing partners unless otherwise agreed upon. With the admission of the new partner, there is a reconstitution of the partnership firm and all the partners get into new agreement and carrying out the business of the firm. Next, the following conditions let the addition to the new partner. First one, when the firm is in an expansion mode and requires fresh capital, in this situation, new partner is essential. Secondly, when the new partners possesses expertise which can be beneficial for the business expansion of the firm, in this situation also the new partners are essential. Next, when the partner is a person of reputation of adds goodwill to the firm. Next, the following adjustments need to be made at the time of admission of the new partner. They are: first one, calculating the new profit sharing ratio along with sacrificing ratio. Second point, accounting for goodwill. Then revaluation of assets and liabilities. Then the adjustment of capital as per new profit sharing ratio, like that. With the admission of new associate, the partnership enterprise is restructured and a new agreement is entered into carry on the trading concern of the enterprise. A newly added partner obtains two primary rights in the business. They are: first one is right to share the assets of the partnership firm. Secondly, right to share the profits of the partnership firm. Then at the time of writing this letter, we follow the letters in the following manner. Dear sir, I have pleasure in informing you that owing to large increase of my business, I have this day taken Mr. Kopar is my partnership, and hereafter all business will be done in the name of this style. Then the format, a circulators announcing the admission of partner, and the format is in this manner according to the example. Here the head address is written in center place of the letter, like that according to this address, that is sports zone number 1, Mahakadi Road, Dhaka 1212. It is written in center place of the letter. It is called as the head address, and generally written in center place of the letter. After completion of this head address with the double line spacing, then we write the date in the right side corner of the letter. The present date is 27 November 2020, like that. After completion of the right date, we write the inside address, like dear patron, we have made this possible. Then write the body of the letters in 3 paragraphs, like that. According to that, the first paragraph, the introductory point, it contains introductory items. Here, your continuous patronage has helped us expand our business in Dhaka city. As you know, we provide every facility of indoor sports, gym, visual studio, and manufacturing of exclusive sportswear named Giletto to fulfill the demand of the customers. We already have 5 outlets in Dhaka and looking forward for inaugurating 2 other outlets in Dhaka. Then in the second paragraph is the main paragraph, that is the body of the paragraph. Here this network needs for its administration an experienced manager. We have the pleasure to inform you that we have admitted to our partnership Mr. Sapat Raza. He is himself a good sportsman as well as a young entrepreneur. He has gained a very good knowledge of supervising, controlling, and promoting sales. We are sure that his admission to our business will be beneficial to all, to you and to us. Last paragraph, the concluding point. We appreciate your cooperation in the past and I trust that you will continue to favor us with your valued business. Like that, the body of letters in 3 paragraph. Opening introductory point, the main contents are written in the center of main passage in the letter. Last is closing paragraph. It is the additional points written in this matter. After completion of the body of the letters, we write the complimentary clause, like that, yours faithfully, yours sincerely, like that. It is written in the left side corner. Thereafter, we write the name and address. That is the SM Con, partner, sports zone, Mr. Sapadriza, will sign as, like that, we write this. Then you can write a partnership proposal letter in the following way. Among first point is address the potential business partners by name. It's first point. Secondly, emphasize the challenges faced by the partners. Next is describe the benefits of engaging the partnership with you. Then lastly, print the proposal and give it to your prospective partners in persons. Thank you.